Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking and this is my daily checklist video. Today I started my work at 9 a.m. in the morning. I work on check out all the channel, Beta Team, rental channel, and also follow up my mail detail. Then I go to my regular work. I open my BA Tax Management. You send me some work schedule like BRK 28 forms. I did it, so please check out on the channel. And then I work on Goldcrest. I also have some product and I set it on my ultimate sheet. Please check out over there. This is my product also, and I work also as your instruction of Amazon Process Street. I work at AMJ, that means Amazon Market Research Detail. I put it here, and Rambi also do another MBA and MBM detail, and he set it on the channel. And I also work on KGG ad and reply on someone their mail, and also check on the Emacs bill, but that bill is not come yet. So this is the work actually. Today is a weekend. I also you said to communicate with Asif. I call him and talked with him some about product research detail. So I said him that next week, that means next Sunday, we will work together. So that is my work, and thank you for watching my video. Bye.